Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create email campaign with System.io. For those who are still unfamiliar with what email campaign is, basically email campaign is like newsletter. If you know what newsletter is an email that you're going to receive once you subscribed on a certain web page, but usually it's going to be just a one-time email. Meanwhile, email campaign is a series of email that you can continuously send to, let's say, your customer. So instead of sending your email one by one, System.io is going to help you and send those email with the help of their system. To make email campaign with System.io, there are several steps that you are going to have to follow. The first one is obviously to create an account on System.io, and then you're going to want to create your funnels. Once you're done with that, you're gonna want to create some tags. To create a tag, you can go ahead and click on the contact menu on the top side of your screen and then click on tag. If you're using the free account, System.io are only going to allow you to create one tag, but if you are subscribing to their paid account, you can create a lot more tags that are going to be very helpful when you create your email campaign. So you can go ahead and name your tag. I'm just going to name mine Another Type Campaign because Another Type is the name of my business. You can always change the name of your tag by clicking on this triple dots on the right side of your screen, and then you can go ahead and change the name and click on save once you've changed it. Here I'm going to show you if you try to create more than just one tag on free account. You can still click create on this tag section. You can also insert your name, but when you try and save your new tag, this notification will appear. It says that your plan does not allow you to create more tag because with the free account, again, like I said, you can only create one tag. The next thing that we're going to do is that we're going to go back to funnels, and then you're going to click on which funnels you want your email campaigns to run to. So for this example, I'm going to use this Another Type funnel, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Next, we're going to go to automation rules, and here we're going to start and set up the rules. To set up the rules, we can just scroll down and then we're going to find this Add Rule button. Here, we're going to click on Funnel Step from Subscribed, and then after that, we're going to click on the triple dots on the right side of the form. Click Edit Automation Rule and then click Add Action. Then you're going to click on Add a Tag, and here you can assign the tag to the desired tag you want the email campaign to be. Again, I only have one tag, which is the Another Type campaign tags, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that. But if you're in paid account, you can go ahead and click on whichever tags you want the campaign will be. And then click on Save Rules. Once we're done with the rules, what we're going to do is that we're going to bring our pointers to emails. And as you can see, there are three options: newsletter, campaign, and statistic. And we're going to go ahead and click on campaign. After that, we're going to click on the create button, and here we can name the campaign. So I'm just going to name my campaign as Another Type Campaign. And you can feel free and add some descriptions if you want. I'm just going to skip that for now. And now that I got my campaign, I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And then I'm going to start and create my email. We can start creating our email by adding the subject of the email first. For my first email, I'm going to add Welcome to Another Type as my subject. After we typed out our subject, we can also check on the sender names. You can change the sender names into the name of your business if you want to, and you can also check the sender email. As for the editor, I prefer the classic editor to the visual editor, but later in the video, I'm going to show you how the visual editor looks like. And here is the section where you can start and type out your email. For example, you can type out welcome and then add up some more details to your email, and feel free to add up whatever it is that you want. You can also add up some attachment or anything that you found unnecessary to be received by your customer. Once you're done, you can go ahead and click on save, and it's going to save out your emails into the campaign section. Now let's try and create the second email. For the second email, I'm going to put a fun fact about another type for my subject. And the next step is exactly the same with the first email. You can also add some attachment if you want, or you can also type out whatever it is information that you feel your customer will need to receive in this particular campaign. And I'm going to save that, and then I'm going to show you how the email campaign works. First, we're going to go back to the email draft, and then we're going to click on the first email campaign that we've created. Let's say that we created some more editing on the sections right here, and instead of clicking on save, now we're ready to send the email to our customer. We're going to want to click on the save and publish button, and we're going to set out the time when we want this email to be sent. As you can see here, you can set out the time of when you want this email to be sent after they subscribe into your page. You can choose for days, hours, even for minutes. And for now, let's say I'm going to set my email to be sent 5 minutes after they click on the subscribe button on my page, or whatever button that you have on your page to trigger this email campaign. You can also set the exact hours. Let's say you want your email to be sent at 2 p.m. You can set that, as well as the exact day of when you want your email to be sent. Once you're done, you can go ahead and click on activate. And now you have already activated the first emails on your email campaign. Next, we're going to do the same thing with the second email. So go ahead and go on the second email. Click save and publish button, and then you can also set out the time. The difference is on this section right here, you have the option to time the second email to be sent after you send the first email. Because we've already activated the first email, now we can click on the this email will be sent after, and then we can set it to be sent after, let's say, 2 days after the first emails. So you can go ahead and click on the email you want to be sent first, and then decide on how many days or how many minutes or how many hours you want the interval of each emails will be. Once you're done, go ahead and click on activate. Now let's try and create another email. Let's say you want to create a third email that are going to be sent after the second email, which means this third email are going to be sent, let's say, several days after you send the first email. So go ahead and repeat the exact same step with the first and second email. But on this one, you're going to set your email to be sent after the second email, which is the fun fact about another type, and then click on activate. Now, we already have 3 emails that are going to be sent in order automatically because we already set it with System.io, and you can also create as much email as you want for your campaign. Let's say you want to send your email every single day for your customer. Go ahead and create and set email to be sent every day. Finally, I'm going to show you the prices of the plan that System.io offer. They have freemium, startup, webinar, and unlimited. Freemium is the one that I am using right now, which is the free account. As you can see, I have limited contact, limited funnels, limited blogs, courses, automation rules, workflow, etc. And I can only add some more if I upgrade my account. On the free account, you can also see that it shows the number of what I have already created. For example, I already created 1 out of 1 tags, 1 out of 1 email campaign. I already created 2 sales funnels, and I'm only allowed to create 1 more. So if you feel like this system is helpful for you, go ahead and choose from the plans to enjoy the full benefit of System.io. You can also feel free to check out more by clicking on their website and read about it more. And that is how you can create and set up email campaign with System.io. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.